In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce settings fast and easy. Now, if you've been working with WooCommerce for some time, you may find yourself needing to start fresh or troubleshoot a problem. That's where resetting your WooCommerce settings can be incredibly useful. This process will quickly restore your WooCommerce to its default settings, giving you a clean slate to work from without affecting your products or orders. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your site, where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your website. Once you're on the dashboard, look in the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. After accessing the Plugins page, you'll see a button labeled Add New at the top. Go ahead and click on that. The Add Plugins page is where you can search for new plugins to enhance the functionality of your site. In the search box, type WP Reset. This is a powerful tool specifically designed for quick resets. As you type, you'll notice a list of search results start to appear. Look for the WP Reset plugin in this list. Once you find it, you'll want to click on the Install Now button. This will begin the installation process, which should only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, the button you just clicked will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the WP Reset plugin on your site. Now with WP Reset activated, go back to the left-hand menu of your dashboard and click on Tools. This section contains various utilities for site maintenance, including our WP Reset plugin. From the Tools menu, click on WP Reset. Once you're in WP Reset, you'll see different options available, one of which is to reset your WooCommerce settings. Now, resetting is a critical step, so ensure you want to proceed, as this will reset any changes you've made to the settings. However, rest easy knowing that this won't delete your products or orders, so your core business data remains intact. Select the option to reset only WooCommerce. This is an important distinction because WP Reset can affect your whole site, but today we're focusing solely on WooCommerce. The final step is to confirm the reset. The system will ask you to confirm your intentions, so make sure you double-check everything before proceeding. Once you've confirmed, WP Reset will work its magic, and you'll have a fresh WooCommerce slate to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your WooCommerce settings using the WP Reset plugin. This process is quick, easy, and ensures that you can swiftly return to customizing your store the way you want. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough, and happy WooCommerce managing.